guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
All this wall of they talk, they go. They are all black, guys, black lies. Because me, I dey inside. Because where you know they, the animal where you don't know, now you don't know as they say they slaughter them. So, some people, when even see they talk of this matter, they only there, but they don't know the rule and regulation, the law and order of this country. Now they spoil the name of Deutschland. They have accumulated most of people. And today, people are enjoying it. People are enjoying. Some people in this country since 20 years, they don't work. Until they die, they don't work for this country. They go feel them. Some say, nah, I do money, nah, you want money. Who tell you? Nah, tax, where would they pay? People, they work. I think they pay Aduro people. Take Jonah if you know rich. I'm always say they pass. One person, they tag to another person. The one you want pay. So na some person that they give the money. Till that kid don't come. Go to the no, they talk about it. I'm not going to talk the one I know. When I talk the one, but why even really talk about this issue? Make people for learn. If you know, say you see that same circle, so you go quick know as you want what kind of life. No wait till they come carry you body. Then the next thing, I'm going to stress people where they are all. They are not going to do that as so good as a night moment. As another audio call you when get. I talk concerning me. I'm just a talk my own. I don't see me not help. I don't see me not donate. I not change my word. But when I change, when I shake, when I share this video, if I not share, I not giving her these tips. These tips, so I want giving her so. That be small tips I want giving her so. A big one. So how are you go take down on a bet? What to do? What the love I like you so that Facebook will release this video, and so that people will never learn go begin learn. No gonna share. I want to tell you a little bit about this issue. And why was he really deported? If he tell you now, the one on 1 year, the sweet part, the ugly part, they know the fit talker. When I say for this Deutschland, all of us day, that's more I want to talk. Not be say they happy say they deport them. Doesn't got anything to do with me. Not be say they happy say they deport them. Now me vous sad past. Yes. Why he pay me? Because it been my person where I personally advise. Where me personally advise. It be like saying I've been here, I will talk this program so that it go enter our family head. Most people. No, not say Mare Bina. The same place Emma Weraji Rebegamo. Yes, the same city, Italy. Ma beg even know how gbona ogbe. Everybody they romance the matter, no, they romance because they deport her. You son. No be only they don't deport for Germany. Why not call the romance ABO like saying a big deal? Why not the romance the thing? Why don't want tell her be the truth? Now me go knock the truth for her. So that if you want cry, make it go cry for a corner. I don't send that message. Because I personally, I advise this boy. You know, I tell him, I say, this is my advice. As you know, go take her. So now you know when the thing go happen. No cry. And really now, see, it don't happen. That's when you tell they say, don't let this thing happen to you. They go feel say you know sabi the thing. I be champion. You know what the cash down no, you know no road. You know sabi and I make the cash no. I go sewo. I go sewo. Now me go tell na wetin happen to Abi. Abi no fit tell na truth. But me, I go base this truth for everybody. All this one of the romance. My brother, Mr. Jebon, now wo. Here where yes you all bet. Hear the truth from me. Don't romance any issue. Why but do I pity I do donate? God forbid. Will I donate to such thing? You are no keep one of your way. Huh? You go no kai alone in only like phone. What can we boloba? Bucket no boloba in Nigeria. They ain't learning the hard way. Or boss nobody want with it. Or follow the right lane. Again, we are going. We are going watching here record. Here Ronona. They will start to be doing Ibada, whereas no capital, no gain. When we dey Italy together, now my president said this wife come. La Libiare. Wo we me e pali me e bi totaje bi oni e bi totaje mama wo kin de. Ina wo kan we de. Ina we Italy now because then he will honor wa Italy. I don't know a beef for Italy for Begam. Go ya so ni wa go eni on delikwa. Wa kaya go eni. Oh, I don't say, oh, what do I feel pity? Oh, I can't do that. In a motion, you don't pity people who still have life. That is going to learn it only the hard way. You think people will be there for you forever, and you are happy because you want people to donate for you. Then by tomorrow, when the money is finished, then you will not know that. You're going to donate to the most of them. You start to think, where did you make mistake? Where did you get it wrong? They cannot feel bad go boy that boy. Okay, that's one. Because many managers na we begging na magwe. I was zangazemi. I didn't even want to tell body who so what. Now for my palo for begamo. Now I'm not discussing a woman. No was no. That was I think I left Bergamo 2012 or 13. Ekpa Bergamo, Ekpa Italy with Garrett. Where you there, I want to go back to Germany. I am going to give you people different dimension of living in Germany. Please share this video, guys. If you know if you share, give a thumbs up. Just give and love and like. So only go to share himself. Just give and love and like. So that make it reach where it day. Say me no call romance in situation. I know the romance about the situation. In a most not be me cause you use your cut to see I put to you. So the romance where people want romance you so petty when you have pepper money if you have bonnet, okay? The same plate now for the shop. Even he coming to this country, it's maybe I know because I was saying man boom he have bomajo. In our Italy man. What Becky and now would it be with the boss on Becky Talina? When I'm here where I want me to put show what again. I will wear whatever Italy. No, no, wow, I call you honey. Oh, yeah. What did Jamie bet was say? Wow, when okay, every have few very few every drug banner would do. Who I say, Jamie, every drug banner would be on our mama, why now? Kero keni moto ni biga afi we begamo no document nothing. Kero keno gbe ye company me. Begani. Ina advice. Mama we say the next year. O you call me. Iya se Germany na wo sa we say. I tell ya for atenike. Ina we ujire emiamia. Oda we me vue. To cut the long story short because I don't want to spend too much time on this issue. I'm going to kill it the way it is. No, but romance nigga. Yeah, I got a video where I gear. So we don't wanna win no. No man, they working permit now. Or when have a Deutschland. Or when they working permit now. or when I'm a Deutschland. When you don't have working permit, you're not permitted to work. That means everyone got your money. Yes. And there is this law that guard all Aduro, all migrants, which is called Dublin law. Shege law. That guides all immigrants. All immigrants. I mean, you're buying with Shege law, no? Even man with a passport, they will say to you, you are a second class citizen. They have the right to collect that passport from you and deport you. Yes. When you are a second citizen, does not mean when you are not a citizen, but you are a second class citizen. Please share this video. Abby have been in Germany for how many years now? For decades. Let's say so for 1 decade. More than 10 years. Or 9 years. He come a day like 6 years ago. Abby called me. Mama, egbe woye o. O gbalegbe. Eyan iva ya ku egbe eyan iva. Eyan ma te wa tama wa ni a. Wa gi yan te wa tama wa go make that advice yan say. If not, they keep repeating itself. Ado agwe country ni anje gui. Abby have got Olivie for more than 6 years. They will not buy a winner. Boy, you walk it. Walk, I will say, I know, if a woman in the deport with a man in Frankfurt, I remember that woman, her husband, a German passport. Now you German passports. But I don't have deported, I'm not German passport in Ivie. This time, this one was already having 3 years of full-time with Deutschland. They have almost 5 categories of documents with Deutschland. They don't belong to. They have 5 categories of documents in Deutschland. Tota nekerero, marewero, ayeyerewe, oya mie, oya tota, ona balance. I'm with Deutschland. The category you fall into determine your stay in Deutschland. Eriyo, police ya muye kete di ade, police ya ga tienegbe. O bu kan ga tienewo. Police no e wa no e dogeta. Police ena hamena we bive no gijina. You move, o mebe. O ekenu ya gwalebe. You know, gwalebe e boy Deutschland yaku. We speak at a time. In fact, imagine yo si so vane no. Then before you know, Ivie go be live video. You know, in this country, even when you get documents for this country, you get paragraphs. They get paragraph 32. They get paragraph 28. They get paragraph 32. They just get normal dudon. And they get one way not they for this Deutschland. And I go begin to tell now the different paragraph and their minutes and what it mean. I represent you for this Deutschland. Mona share this video. As I advise, not make me even the parents they do this video because I really advise them as a mother because we were really close with the Italy. Maybe they sleep in my house, they eat for my house. Even when they even come before your wife, mom said they come the same time. The day when your wife crossed enter Italy, I was aware. This wife, you know me where don't worry now. You know? Now we meet for don't get different paragraphs, of course. I know how they come. No, say get to the way they don't strike. You get the one they never strike. Any do the way they don't put cross. Say go be. Or see that thing where they want you submit that stroke, they're not the remover. It means that you are in danger. And you need to leave immediately. Alacrity. Backbone tule. Don't be stumble-headed way because of the kindergarten. The selfish desire of our people. Now maybe they deport them. They have a selfish desire. They don't care. They don't want to sow into the economic of this country. All they know is that money they are taking, and that money, it's at the core. I want to share this video. Now I can't tell and say, I never got opportunity to even talk to your wife because I call the verse. When he don't tell me say wife, they call police for her. And this case have been registered time without number. I said they are too big. Is either Gualigo, no Gualocono, and no your bojo. Or no come on, no do sani you, no you don't your boy or go. So from there, when me tell you, happy weekend, darling. Mommy, I greet you, mommy. Yobosa. In a way, if not, Gualawan or you be your own on where your boy or away. No, maybe. On a way, Bunga city, and I will know dinner way. Yeah, but because of this, follow Divia, this do don't yamun, now this come up for this country where they go near Wamunwena. We are taking a measure. Here and here, where? Ahwe, Ahwe, Unie. I am not pitying you when you are deported where I can go and learn it the other way. When you not come back, let me tell you, first thing I want to tell you, you got 5 years to relocate to any European country. 5 years, 10 years imprisonment. You see? You see as he play. I want you to tell me. I said I'm waiting. Not be say, na story at the talk. This one and a public thing will be everybody do the year. Police, we are never living in peace. Bars, boost, pockets and poloba. I'm not the pity you, but I'm not sorry for you too. Not be me, the deport. As I dare so they cannot. I be strong tower that can never be moved for this country. Since that kid don't come. I get 2 documents as a living life. I get Italian documents. They're not the renewal. Till that kid don't come. Now see me not be last 3 weeks. I go change my passport, my face for the new passports where the new do so. Now go change it because I not rely for German. If he said to the German, say, oh, immigrants, Yamutu. I move. I go Italy, I go relax. If Italy say, I move, I'll go Nigeria. No, sir, I don't achieve my goal. I don't move. Even me, my staying in Europe is numbered because I don't like Europe again. I want to go and stay in Nigeria. I dey see when I go Nigeria, I dey pop, I dey enjoy. I know they stay in house like this, be like prisoner. When you dey one place, you go be like say you dey sick. You go be like say you get sickness, you not get cured. But if you dey Nigeria, you go drive entire, you go entire anywhere where they are pro. You go the bonjour, they go. You go not go remember anything for a year. You go there psychoed. So the police when they call the call for each other, now it come make police come pull leg. Another the document where they with your wife, enough you give a B. 2 of them come the same, register the same, live same. They live same. They are changing your name, same. All of them carry the same name. Husband and wife, fighting. Work back. Then you, just now, not be made the depressed for this is so. You know, see that one where they cost me since yesterday. Say that depression called the worry, huh? Or once they want to see the go shower work after 37 years in abroad. You see the family they go. You are best fight for junction for a shower. You know if you be time. You gotta put my name. Say because you see me and the person will be friends. Say if you are this one want to so go take Eriyo. You Chris. If you are not the do saga, no me say oh my weapon where you going? You are la day saga way. You saga test time for 24 hours. I'm not the tire. Okay. I say what you put for fair. I say I'm not offer. I'm not the tire. That's what these people do. Since then, if baby don't get come out for this country for the past 6 years or 7 years. I mean the talker, so he tell me. Because at that time, now he take come, he tell me. This time, it don't pass 6 years. Now I say, okay, since it don't be like this, find your level, Deutschland not be for children, oh. If you have to go back to Italy, go. Listen now, I go tell that I said they say making bread Nigeria pass. I say, never. Never in history, not make that mistake, oh. Eddie, and not you where the any you are gonna. They to marry any they think about deporting but never in Italy because they were carry. Oh boy, Italy, about your boy, when I were Italy, okay. That means first, that place was not your first country. You are already, they are going to judge you with Dubai, Dublin law, Shege law. Now they want to deal with you so. Your first country, not your second country, not even your third country. Do you understand me? Not even your third country. Another follow the via, another famuti, another negative in way. You did not say you should go. Okon we are 3 years, another 3 years in Uwe. Or full tight alumnus 3 years with paragraph 28 another in Uwe. Where my sit in the Ama wumoe. E do don't already in Uwe, I'm a stroke head. AB refused to contact me again. He refused to contact me again. Oh, you don't ever give German government your Nigeria passport if you don't have any hope of document. Bang, 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 and the truth be that. He never contacted me again. The only day we could contact me after those many years. Now when Eddie Dowsa do birthday, I don't know, when he come Eddie Dowsa house, come say he want to do award. He come bring award for all of them. As he see me now, I say he come be like say that maybe your enemy. Because you see me and they together. You give them, is that the name of people they bring us? Okay. Last, yeah, mommy, via, I no be you, now, no worry. Now I can't do one, see me, come give me. I no agree. He do one, send that for me. I say, no poster, no want. Mama, too much resist still there for asylum in Germany, no. But from the court and bath, again, Africa, black people. No, not talking like that. Me go tell you, stress where people they pass through for see, this document of 18 everywhere. You know why Italy, not just Italy, not they deport. Not just another country, not they deport. Because say that the year Germany, you they do the outcome and people go with video, they go post them. People, country, they will deport past Germany. I don't know. I should not see recent video where Parliament for Holland bring come out where they say, if you know, say you be Muslim. I shall not hear that year and that day. Now, because people feel the quiet, they do their own underground. Not because Olivie popular, not because on a content no say they deport. You know people where they deport on daily basis for another country. There are more. When they say go, you go. See Canada that day. They said their children not the chalk pork. Now Canada government so yeah, mona pack on children come out for school. We not feel do another thing for them. If break day, mona carry on children. Man they break fit follow the cost school. Should they obey? You must obey the law of the country where you commit. You must obey that law. It is their right, it is their country. You can't change it. Just like as Tinubu did that day, because Nigeria jaga. When Tinubu don't tell you, say, that's so you want to go do pass what he talk now. It is the law and order. Because if we not agree, they read the law and order. Now make with the 4 victims, they feel say, hey, resist. There's no resist in Germany. The time of resisting is far back. Yes, it's gone. But they work with law. It is the law. It is the law. When they say Sharia law that year, no, not the year of Sharia law. Say, this is the law. This is what it means. This is what you do. There, Mama, I don't investigate Germany court and BAF are not trustful and fair in taking decision. I think making on asylum. I know what I'm saying. Definitely. Grace, I'm not doubting you. But let me tell you, in Germany, we have different like Christ. And they get different law and order. We get Zaxi, we get Niedersachsen, we get different Landkreis. for Germany. UK, they deport to anyhow. Okay, you see now how husband and wife go their country, they not look for documents after many years. Now God will bless you. And see, when I know they romance this issue. When I know the romance, if not the romance, they not good. See, they not good. But other people not go learn. Some people now just they wait time they deport them, they cost they beg for money for online. Maybe they make money for a year where they do. If they save money go Nigeria, if they save money since she don't build as joiner. At least you go see where poor and you be one time say start 9 years, 10 years, you never buy and build house. At least we go start for somewhere. We go start business. If you don't want help, make you tell us make you bring your account balance. Make you know what you go hard joiner. Make you start business. Some say make you come back to abroad. Come to wait. What you want to do? That in how work. You go use and make money for Nigeria. Make you invest and where. When I tell us say, hey, worry, what would it be? What do? What do? We are packing 4 children will be a dear boy. What be I call now? Why call romance in this specific? I went your more to one hour a bomb. Eh, no bomb say, rag bomb every day. Why you romance matana? Oh, measure with the way I romance. What do we boy? Walk away news and so constitute. Gangue courtesy here. Who no constitute in Nigeria? No, you have Governor Obaseki no do go ne. So please, guys, don't get it twisted. And it remain the fact and the truth. ABOC deportation gig me. If honor bas is there. It is easy and it is not also easy. Let me tell you the easier part to get documents in Germany. If you are under asylum, once you come, you don't put your hand for grant. The first thing is to integrate yourself immediately. They will send you to language school. Once they send you to language school, put more effort than say you look for money. Because once you don't get money, that language school not going to enter your head again. Oh, everything they think you go to say, I beg you calculate anyway. When you are schooling in Deutschland, it's like you are counting your documents. Go and ask anybody. Go and ask the law. When you integrate yourself, after when you don't do your A1, B2, B1, not be B1, 2, A2, I mean, A1, A2, if you don't do those 2 finish, you are going gradually. Immediately you finish that course, the next thing where you need no pity the husband and wife at all. After how many years of no document, he deaf from he be blue man. Germany is 2 way. If you cannot work, go to school. That is it. Because sometimes they don't give you working documents. They are still working on your case. If they mistakenly give you working documents, 6 months, 3 months, till they work. Because normally, you know, for your course, they don't give you working documents. They give habit and loveness. Say, may you go work so that you go come up for their camp. You go, they bring tasks for them. German like tasks. German like tasks for the whole world. If they pay tax for you, oh my God, they go value you pass, no, they pay tax. One lie to lie. But now you will not they pay tax if they enjoy. But you when they work, they pay tax so. The more benefits you are creating for yourself. So that if they decide I don't they work again, they go pay me till I go die roti. I don't work reach that stage for Germany. Okay? So if you integrate yourself for Deutschland, say you don't get your A1, 2A, 1 B1, then the all of them only be in Deutschland. Living in Deutschland. Once you don't get that safety card, they can never deport. You go and ask. But when you come, you relax. Say, I beg you. Why they not they give people who don't spend 20 years for your passports? Why? Tell me the reason. If you tell me, say, this one is the reason why we say, person who don't spend 10 years, 20 years, you get document already. You don't get, maybe, you don't get unbefisted. Where they know they renew. But today, they not give a German passport. If you tell me why. German passports. The reason why they fit give you German passport for this country are two reasons. Either you merit her or you marry. How do you merit it? It's when you get your BIs. You apply, they question you for your examination, you pass and you don't get that certificate. You are entitled after 5 years in this country. You will get your German passport. Okay, you understand me? Now, German passports, now you don't the face, so they go give you. Now you be say you say some people now, they will say, hey, what that like Jenny now? German passport when no run let one day. When mommy na the truth. Because why? You neglected the important, the relevant things in your life. You neglected it. You sweep on that carpet. They go break. Every wife know they go work. You know they go school. You know they do anything. She no fit to integrate herself. Now you the romance see this matter. Now the romance. When they go see people like us, they go work. They say, I beg you now, boy. We they pay. We they enter. We they show. Wo bist du? Ich bin zu Hause. Ich bin zu Hause. In mein Wohnzimmer. In mein Wohnzimmer bin ich. Wenn du fragst, wo bist du? Ich bin hier. Warum? Wofür? Worüber? Fragst du diese komische Frage? Wo bist du? Warum? Wo es gibt? So when they deport people with children, there should be a reason for it. So then when you leave that part, now we say you don't forget you're living in Deutschland. You guys, you don't perform, you don't remove yourself. This Grace Olivie wife for TikTok. He said, "Back boy, this Grace Olivie wife for TikTok week ago." Okay, you understand that? They go break. She no go work. She no go say, as I carry my children go school, make me go school. Children they grow. You think say one day they will come give you documents. You know they happen like that. It is gradually. It is step by step. Law and order. The law and order. Germany know they deport family people anyhow. I stay in under Stuttgart. That is a Baden-Württemberg. I never see things like this. Okay, that is another region. No, that is Baden-Württemberg region. That is Stuttgart. Frankfurt na Hessen. Why we don't need a Sachsen? We see get Sachsen. All region get their law and order. No, na share this video. I'm not giving love and like a beg. So that it go. Why they bring this video come? Me people where see that this situation now, make them know. Now remember that woman where they deport with 4 children for Frankfurt that year. I told her, I say your husband where born this children for, they get passport. Even when I said they deport them, they call the man. He say, Hope said DJ Wisdom and his family get document to. It's been audio way. Yeah, that's vice. It's condition. That vice. Okay. Wir können immer, was nicht gut ist, machen. Dieses Land, dieses Land ist nicht unser Land. Es ist nicht unser Land. Wir müssen was gut machen. Nicht immer was falsch ist. Wir sollen aufpassen. Mit was wir tun toll. Was? Und dann kannst du selber das nehmen. Nein, ich besäftigt. Das besäftigt kann ich lassen. Bitte, kannst du das selber machen? It's a bitter. Eh? Yeah. Yeah. Vishi. Die Esther. Ja, das geht nicht. Warum? Nein. Nochmal. Ach so. Kannst du das machen? Alles gut, kein Problem. Ich warte. Okay? Wir müssen. Ist eine Entscheidung. So by the time we are romancing this issue, it be like say, no what did happen. What did pursue over here come for Germany? You see what the man pursue over here? No say I say, ulu lawyer bar Italy, ulu lawyer amwe fi gbadi gbade. Like say you still give them their passport. In Nigeria only have yamome. Okay, press the notification bell again, my darling. Please just press the notification. Now Facebook restrict. Those are not they do video again. Since so they'll come, they restrict them. You understand? So that is it. So you get one video where I see where in the explain give mommy Yuri. Me I see what I will see. I want get what I see for that place. Me I check on. Make a check on. People get hard work. People get many things. Even they will tell, while I be like deportation. Will they come? We go neglect the good parts of it. What he say we don't know what it they happen. You know. But you won't pretend say you don't know. Sorry. How you go this country for years? You not integrate yourself. And they deport you, could cry. Say Jama too wicked. I beg her name na. You're not mommy. You're please correct yourself. As long she see they call me mommy Vie. You know, respect is reciprocal. It's just a respect, you know, my darling. So I see the video which day. Now I bring and come out. We will analyze them. We will hear one word. We call my attention. And they come. I'll be with this one. When I hold on. If you're done, if you talk put. See, I wonder when I gain a view. If he has listened to me, soon, then check on. When check about Damena because of it, the next thing that everybody are on social media, they are on TikTok, they are shouting and ranting. Then another thing we do, we quicken us so. When he enter social media, they do live video. What is that thing? Pepe. Okay, put it there. Chef. Dog. Yes, old. It's Nishad. Road, yeah. Yes, yeah. That is good. Yeah, it's okay. I understand. You understand? Now you enter live video, begin to do Ivie. And you know, say, you get forbidden. Do you know what is forbidden? When the Lord say, I forbid you to do this. And you keep to do it. You make them angry the more. Yes. Now, so shall they with your wife. Not as they fight. They cut themselves. They use anything when they like, they fight. Go make the record. Say, oh, here wamiena. So I expected him when no, you know, no Italy or no get no wa pack. The next one so set table setaga. Ona so set baga mena. E gbọ́dọ̀ me ga bere. Ona so set he. Setaga for na we. E bi na. O ma le lu enwe. E wo na je we to na setaga. Oh, when I dele me, Benny tattoo legbe. Dele no happy birthday to Daddy Ko. Your lovely husband. You understand me? Honor the swear. we no di akina ge, you know do tie dok bena we ebi. Be social media na. We riana le lo wa. We condition we. Una we na pay tax in the government. E to register even with online. Una we do away. They to be away. Oh we away le. E government area lele. They to be away le. We ani we wona le. Oma we le. The government jemi na wash e. Yana washe umakba. Una run from one city to another. Una waka don't rimaro. Una constitute nuisance in social media. Now you are not saying that don't donate him for what? You go and give me social media where you are need you wanna deport where. And you was no gide wa do rezigo, wa do o amuni and dashia. There is somebody that go rezigo no wa for what? None me with the time you have to neutralize and liberate yourself in this country. You did not do it. To make you legal in this country, you did not. You failed. You woefully failed yourself. Now you are crying for help. Cry for help. Then you see them on TikTok. You see them on every social media handle. And you remember that these people, they are following you. I remember the time I have issue in my place of work. I'm not going to go work. They listen, you know, not going to do live video for us. They follow me. The day of court come. I not go. I court, they say me nowhere. I know they come. Now they call me for court, say, they look me so I did live video. Now I say, yes, it's my private time. I can do live video. What if you say give me that confidence why I talk to them? Because I know say my two legs strong. I say because I know where my head the zero. This thing I go feel calm me down. I make me do the lawyer. I say okay. Lawyer, I say my lawyer know that they say the hand. So one of the family they go up and down. The person when we go court tell they say as we they talk so see me for live video say I dey buga. See me where I say I know where. I say yes, so I know where nah because I they sick now make me they do this why they do so in a therapy. I said my therapy. I'm doing my therapy. Talking is my therapy. Oh, why I feel talking? Because I stand giddy. Even at the time I can say make it contact lawyer. No. I am not discouraging other nurses to donate for them. No. I am not. They're not so why we reach us. At least for now, it never ever reach for people to if they know say they deport them. How much for say never ever reach to they don't talk of donation. So you want to tell me say since then, you know they send money go as to keep for account. Now you want to tell me. You want to tell me say all the money where they make for Ivie where they do. Now Deutschland did they. Now question I just ask. I not fit donate for that kind of person. Who don't again 1 million? I know if you donate for them. Because they say save for the rainy days. They say donation when they do, they go away tomorrow, they will cause it cost on journal. None of one continue. Show them how to liberate in any country they are today. You know go school. You know work. You know fight. You know see me lawyer fights. Don't be saying you know they make money. Ivie was making a head of money. He was making a head of the next you don't go join gang. When you don't feel join for Italy, we pursue you for Italy. You can't join me, you liberate her. Why you can't feel liberate yourself for inside that same blue again? Why you liberate yourself? Because you felt that it was important. Why will you leave the important? They do the one we know the important. And they ask, share where you can't join me. You quick, find where they do. You go reconcile with, you go quick, they say, now you be number 1 for Italy that year. Why you not use that energy? Seek liberate yourself for this country. To integrate yourself for this country. I mean, no so that they integrate for any country where you go. It's not, no country is a bed of roses. You work for it. So, not be saying when it don't happen, everybody call they say, oh, I pity them more, let's donate. This isn't how money be money. And they advise you now 5 years you get to come back to this country. You don't say you see go, now say person, want help you now, straight to Canada, you and your family. Every title is Ivie go the boast with Curtis. Eriyo do every tally. Oh, yeah, rule you tally on level here. We say Gemini with the continue now with Tina, we advise. I make one video one day, we de banya, we no we do. And I come now, maybe we de banya nenia. We are here no. Because I know that Ovie mi brain. He don't sleep, forget himself. Germany. What they carry deport anybody. Now when they talk say Germany no good. I beg when I go create on a country, when stay there. Una own country no good, Nigeria, una reach Germany not so good. Where go container where one good? Where one good? People don't do it 5 years, 10 years. When they say go, now go you day, come out. No waste your time because they get their law, wait, follow. Then they say for carry that law, get lawyer, say, see, Anna, see this one, you know, pass. See this one, you know, pass. See this one. After 5 count charge, you not pass anyone. Oh, F0, F9. And you say me they leave you for the country. They don't feel leave you. So when I know they talk say Germany too racist, Germany not good, Germany bad. No, don't say so. Some people they okay, see now, when they liberate everybody, or shege law. Okay. But papa, okay. See, even though we talk now that statement, my darling, we discussed it. Maybe you just come. Me and Olivie discuss some. Because they no agree. Two of them no agree. It takes two to tango. As if I don't see picking money. Yeah, I don't dare. In my don't dare. Let me tell you, don't see that picking money. You know what the cost for this country? You know what picking money the cost for this country? When the wife don't they see that picking money, don't they entire brain, Wortoworto. 4 children, you know how much? Calculate 300 times 4. They can't give her money, and she get nothing less than 1,500 euro every month. Am I lying? They know they pay us rent. That capacity I won't go donate for. Am I crazy? They know they pay us rent. They get 1,500 monthly. Calculate if the time where euro na 3 million, 1.5 is 300, is 3 million naira. Calculate them for 9 years. They know how much they don't achieve, what they don't keep. Still, enough it, you know, put itself for order for this country. It still constitute nuisance where live for Italy. What class? This nuisance where they constitute live for Italy. He say, Mama, here. He can't restart them. He can't even worst. Now me they not liberate them. Every time record of fights, record of weapon. Every time they record you, and they come. I'm sure say they fix camera for their house. His wife don't go to tell social. Now his wife. Now if I talk live now, if he come out for live, do me come talk and say now lie, mommy ve talk. They don't prepare his wife. Say no worry, convince your husband may give us passports. We go give them a document. Now his wife convince her where they take carry their passport, give them. They don't get one social where they attached to her. We don't want to prepare his wife. Okay. They go ask you they work. You say no. What you could they do? Because if you get one guy, now my friend see them meeting, they can't give her paper make come out, give a lawyer paper make come out. I can't say no. See on your first letter, I say yes. I say take lawyer, go do a P first. Come go do a piece. That if they work, they can't collect a working permit. They say unless you bring a passport. I say no, give them. Eddie near. Fight hard. Do like this. Go to your land crest again. Take they say why how they say me take the field where they collect your working permit. You see they say it's time don't reach to go. Because they don't give her first come out. Now I tell her so you go enter school, go start. Actually you see they go school. You say oh yeah, go online. Quick go write BIs for online. Go enter online school. Come get certificate BIs. Now they take give her document back. You don't achieve BIs. No. You don't get outside swine. Now if I do. As he do outside, so he pass on online. He quick get that certificate from there. He hold on bang, bang, bang. When lawyer they ask and say, what you don't do for this country? He show them the certificate. Say, I don't go school for this country. I don't pay tax for this country for so years. I don't get BIs. See who here, well, they put all of them together and then they go submit them for land crisis. Say, this kind of person, you know if you deport them, you know if you can't go anywhere. Now let's come to give her visa again. They can collect that blue, this thing, like that working permit that they give will be blue, I be green. They can't give them card. Can't give all of them. That they are set as they take go school so when they go school so. But AB they go break. Go see, go do live video, go do TikTok. You can't just forget what you carry and come Deutschland. Say na document I must get them. I not get mama not get pikin not get. I said that woman when they deport that year with 4 children for Frankfurt. Her husband get passport German P. Now he both born for and I give them documents. But that way they deport and they don't look back. Because they don't fit tell and say, as it 3 years ago, and I greediness now see kid that one. The cousin may go biggie. He get one paper where be zog the rest. This woman not give the husband. He not give her. They say because of king that gate, because of that picking money. Now the man say me no worry. The day you go need me, call me I they come. Not be when they want the porter that they call him. The man say no care. He carry the children go out. I know that the man can easily go anytime and bring these children back. But he go fair leave the woman, may do a hokiza. He go wear woman clothes, they dance for TikTok. He go forget himself. Say as they break so, which office I go? I want integrate, I want go school. If you no go, they no go give you documents. For this country, where me know. Germany. People will come from Italy that time for our sets as we take home. They will tell you, say, see their law, we give you 90 days. 90 days. Now be the law. They get law book, we guide everybody. They give you 90 days, stay fine work. Because you know if they are doing for this country. And somebody must do resident for you when you come. Without your Italian unbefisted. That one where they know they renew. It'll be 10 years old. Indefinite, now you go must get. If you bring 5 years, come. If they're indefinite, they go answer you. But if they're normal 5 years, they not go answer you. You understand? They not go answer you. Then when you call, you go do residence. Now you don't pass stage 1. Now you don't go home office. You don't go register. Say I did this country. Person will do resident for you. They will take that and say this person don't under your custody. They go ask you how much follow you come from Italy. You go say money no follow you come. Not even talk more. Then they say this person where you residence you so now I want to take care of you till you get work. That one go say yes. Or you go to they say see your card. You get money for your card. Or you go to the manage. They will say okay. Because one, they will tell you say you are not allowed to take social money. You are not allowed to be social this effect. They will say you are not allowed to go there to take anything, not even a pin, not even 100 naira. You will say who? You will go. You begin manage. You begin look for work quick before 90 days. Once that 90 days not complete, they will write to you. Say me you come out for this country. Come out for Deutschland. You get 90 days to stay here. Yes, of course. You understand me? You get 90 days to work, to get work. Before, once you don't get work, they'll give you working permits. Immediately. Say, this company don't give me work. Oh. They say they need my working permit. Why you don't see that company say they don't give you work? You say, because they know say if you don't go apply for work, if this will give you work, you carry the paper, go give them again. They'll call stamp. Say you are allowed to work. Then you start working. They'll give you a working permit. That working permit, they'll write down for the back, listing very well. If you never know, I mean you know. They go write down for the back, say you are not allowed to do self business. Yes. And so be for Aduro. You are not allowed to do self business. When you not get self-sandwich alumnus. You must get self-sandwich alumnus. If you not get that, you are not alive. If you don't, you are committing crime. Yes, you they commit crime. Big one at that. You know they pay tax, you know register your business, and you they work, they collect money. You go make them angry. But they go they look you. You they showcase your Ivie on daily basis. Till they do money, they make money. You know register them, you know you pay tax. They look you. I said that they look you. Then once you don't start work other than 90 days, you are not okay. After 3 months, if you go to find your house, they'll tell you go find house. Maybe now 1 year they give you. Once they give you, why German men know they work? My dear, now they tell you so. Once you come here, if you see now, if you talk of my brother Amira Wefe, you know say they be couple in this Deutschland. If una get children, you know say a wife don't get permanent job where be say she no feel leave. So and they not feel leave their children for school. Him taking care. Take the children go to school, bring them back, stay with them, to wash over them is a big work in Germany. Do you know that? Do you know how money they pay for those work? It's a big work. So if they work now, maybe if your wife now say, okay, I know they work again, my husband, oh yeah, go work. You go, oh, me go they stay with children. Which day they come together? I just want to put that one, Jonah. So it's working. Please. Those people, their own is different. It is not a duro matter. No. You see another night with your wife, they go marry. They want to make it so. They know the law. They know the law. Now when they don't marry now go see and say, this go change. They know the law. You understand? They know the law. Now when you reach, you go begin to search for the law. Meet lawyer, get advisor. Lawyer now they talk, oh, they go they advise you. Say, don't like this. You say, oh my God, I don't want no one put hand for. Go do it, they fear. No, like our brother, oh, enough people and for grant because he already get Spanish documents. No. You understand? So we are not talking about these people, please. Let us change the narrative. So you listen to what me they explain how to stay for this country. Yes, but his wife is already contributing. His wife, they contribute. Now his wife, she is contributing. So let not just go there. So my brother is trying for himself. You understand? Then, when you don't get this, your Amedon, which is resident, you sit down. Then you can go meet, what do they call them? You can go meet a Vonosan. Maybe the person will do resident for you that time. You get to liberate yourself. If they pay for us, you go meet Vonosan. Say, I beg. Person where I can't stay with. Even can give you a dagage as far as they work immediately. For no son will give you us flowers. They'll give you flowers. You go stay there from there. They work, they save your money. Maybe if they work, if they pay 310 for that house, they will give you. You go there your room, or you go share room with somebody. You go just stay there. You go just get your peace. You just they go work. You don't work. No stop. You go work for 10 good 1 year. No stop. No stop. No take. So excuse I know they work again because I don't work because you never enter system. You could take 1 year. So regional 2 years. So regional 1 year and a half. Me and my husband they work. We get children. Children not be excuse. We man no go take work. Okay. Now these children now where it not be their excuse. So these two people we me they talk about why the wife no go they work to liberate herself. To concrete herself. Because now the one way you don't feel by now be me wo now we talk about. Their mistakes. Now what they talk about. Their mistakes. Then at the end of the day, you don't work 1 year. They don't change them. Because every awful title they give you, the right paragraph puts. The paragraph you take there. The paragraph, the reason, the ground of which a ground. The ground, that be the paragraph. The reason of this your documents, that the right put. So any office we carry enter, that ground, you go there back of that working permit. You go there your advice. So may they not make mistake because all of them they work together. They work together. I met some people for this country. If you just say you enter shops, so you won't go buy food, come on for 400 euro for credit, they don't go sell for you. They go first check that ground of your document. Say, I hear no, amigo, if the ground solid, we are here more for like 2 million time way because woman pay government of here where you are yo. They are say or benefit who lost there yo. You understand me? But they leave all these ground. They do another one. Yes. You understand me? Mommy, you understand me? We know we were the Dutchland. When they talk like life for social media, we go to look them. Because we don't pass all of them. We know the offices where we go. We know as we take fights, make sure say, me not get free document for this country. I don't have a now. 2006, when you make a gear. Hey, we not get where no capital, no gain. If you say me, again, in a way, on I buy because the Lord only learn here again. Who got the Bobby again for that shafty my ladien. At the Bobby again, your home. For that shafty my ladien. You gotta show the mail on my query again. We know the stress will pass through. That time marry self, you know if you try say you want marry, you want born, you don't born you. You go back to your country, go bring visa come. You know the suffer where people suffer for now make many German people, many our black men will be German, we get German passport. Before they release her, they give women they had them. They will fit take when you alone, you say boy, son, or when I make me ya. Oh, yeah, uno so I see when I body do. Uno ya we are, no ya la simple. When I hear gonna no ya we are when I hear gonna ma line because continuously alalu ya. Please. So in this life, you must get one thing to all in any country where you dey. Because on no agree me, I finish the narrative now. I don't want to stay too long. This video, now me say we go redo. I don't want to make this video too long. We go redo. I go to tell now law living in Deutschland. How you fit to stay this country? What do you need to do to stay this country to get your documents? If you know say you love this country and you want to live here, you must obey their rule and order. If you don't obey their rule and order, let me say you don't want to stay here. You don't want to stay here. Or you don't see the resident for you. You go back. You they hide. The day when they control you, now that day start to the count. Now that day you're staying in Deutschland, start to the count. 1, 2, 3 until the complete 90 days. If they can't control you again. Because say I don't come out, there will send me go be the receipt where you take come out. The train or the flight where you take come out, you must show them. If not, you will go in for it. They will give you follow the via verboten. It don't happen to person way near me. They give them 5 years, I'll be 3 years verboten. I may not enter this country. You think we are playing? Now board that they for catcher. Tell them say, oh yeah, here mo. Even they use the Italian document they work for here. He say they tell them say she go use her work. No, I say no, they not use her work. Before you know that the baba, the person says so that baba. Tell them say you don't tell we they do this thing today. Oh yeah, we plus and join 3 years for you. No enter this country. Why not come assist them? If you enter the country, go prison without option of fun. Because everything did their law and order. They don't they form law for you. Police don't go hold you now, may begin to form law for you. No. And the law with the trainer, they go open the paragraph for you where the law they will hold you. No be they tell you say this law owes you. No, not be their own law. Now the law of the country now it owes you. Some parts for Europe and for Canada, they say if you travel, come out. Now that one they take they count their citizenship. If you come out for the country for 3 months, they'll say minus 3 months come out for your document. Now I swear, yeah, I never go. Even for Canada, they say if you travel, come out for Canada, they stamp you out. Let me say, you know the dog country, they know can't enjoy the time with it. If they say that 2 years, they want to give you permanent stay, and you come out for 6 months, let me say, it remain 1 year and 4 months. Now you don't stay. Why you tell them, 2 years, I don't say no. You remember, say you come out for this country for a very long time. I had to collect my Italian passport that time. Now so prefecture I take collect my Italian passport. They tell me say I know the Italy for 6 months, I be for 1 year. I say Mike, why? Where I can go? They say me the Londra. I say me, London. I know roads. Who talking? No, say the person will do resident for me. Don't go cut them. Don't go cancel a Christopher Monsungu. You don't go cut them. Say me no there he place against stuff for me. No even tell me. And I pay put. So now say they do love for Italy now. Because too much of everything is bad. I'm here. You understand me? So, no, if it's not over, it is not over. So, no pity, man, no romance this matter. And I never tell na finish. And not like me, where no, they walk over. So, you see, so if AB fight for himself, AB, aka Olivie, like say he fight from the beginning as I tell him, today they not go deport him. If the choice that they use remain, but we just play this video where we want to play just now. Play more you with your damn talk.
Instead of you to make sure your 2 legs should stand first in Europe and stay firm, they will be busy. They will be busy on social media shouting up and down. They will fail to do the needful. God forbid. I rebuke it. God forbid. Exactly. He failed his children woefully. Mommy, can I tell you this? You know, when you know Belia, mommy, can I tell you, mommy Jasper? Let me tell you this. Do you know what is killing these Nigeria people? Undocumented immigrants. I say it without any apologies. Mother, do you know what is killing these people? Greed. They are too selfish and greed. Greed. Because they see Jamie. Because Jamie is the highest country that pays child benefits. And they are being trapped. They concentrate more on that benefit they are earning from Deutschland. Rather for them to do everything within their human resources to work on their document to have it. Do you understand? Greed. Olivie cannot tell us that it is just once he got negative.
Greed. Greed of child benefits. It go make them disfocus on their self. The real thing we carry the call. Greed of child benefits. Now they worry many of the soul. It's turn by turn. And turn by turn, oh, turn by turn. iPhone is big, oh, but I first need a SIM card. You see, I first need a SIM card to work, but the SIM card is cheap. iPhone the dear, but I first need a SIM card. They focus on the unusual. We will not change around. We will not go romance this matter. Actually, I felt on the house, I say, not be today they send out this negative. It don't pass 5 years when they don't try to make it come out. They not try.
Rejection from German government. If he says lie, then he's a born liar. Ooh. From the pit of hell. Germany has been my first country, Mommy Jasper. I am not saying people coming from Spain, from Italy, they are not human beings. I am not here to judge anybody. Do you understand? By special grace of God, I have been living in this country for decades. I boarded my flight from Molitala Mohammed in Lagos and I landed here. Yes. It's so annoying, but because Olivie and his baby mama are greedy people, they concentrate more on that child benefit rather for them to do the needful to have their document. Come on, how can you have 5 children? 4. Will Olivie swear with whatever he believes that this one that the Jama deported him to his country now, can he swear to the Amadioha and say that Jamas only send him rejection? When Jamas reject you and ask you out of their country, Olivie cannot say to the general public that he got the letter once. And if he says so, he's a born liar from the pit of hell.
Without amahirim you, eh? Evani ala la boka gbe yari miya we TikTok miya we social media we okay na ana mo bokare pianka o kan we avion ya e have passport open fully we akin de beni ana they didn't have this civilian.
I have been living in this country for decades. I did not come from Italy or Spain or Poland or Norway. No, Germany have been my first country. I am still living here.
Marema, my move.
I am still living here.
We go nowhere.
Olivie gave birth to 2 kids in Italy before he find his way here in Germany.
This way.
How many years gap is between the 3 kids he gave birth in Germany? Is it every 6 months? You and I know a woman cannot give birth every 6 months. If a woman did not even space the years between the children is a year. Am I communicating? Okay, now he have 3 children in Germany. That is 3 years. We are just assuming, say 1 year is the gap difference of the children, right? 3 good years long. But if it's the woman that spares children, there are some women, they space children 2 years interval. So if it is space of 2...
Them say Nigeria not get work. They still come country where get work. They no want work. Make them, they carry them go ekaro. Na so it be. Na so it be. If you come here, you focus on child benefit, you get bomb. And you not focus on the new food. They don't they'll carry you, but they go be like you for your eye. Deutschland. Don't touch that down. Don't play with Deutschland. Deutschland is a country of no mess. They don't care. If you no one care about them, they no will care about you. But if you respect them, they will respect you. You know what they say? They do business. You know they pay tax. They watch you. And they showcase them. Even that, I would say, even if they monetize you, even if you are not good to social media, if they ever monetize you now, you know they get money. This people go follow you. Yeah, you can ask me, say, maybe another person go up and put documents for the pay out. I say, okay, no problem. But they are watching you. They are seeing you on live stream. They know you. They come to you. Maybe your children go tell them for school, say, look, cook mazish mamine papa. They were mark experts in internet, a mark experts in social media, a mark experts in Zovas gate show. Then the teacher will now cook and unzad. Oh, sag mir mehr. Ich will mehr haben. Ich will mehr sehen. Ist das dein Papa? Ja, es ist mein Papa. Mag etwas im Internet. They go right on. Bagamba. Like there where all this trouble pass come. But you no go know. They go to work your case. Now you are not making business online. making money online. And you know, as the evil come wake you, they go even tell you, say, pick at least all the children one luggage. They will stand, they will tell you, arrange your things. Pick what you need to take. They don't tell me not take anything. Who does that? If German want to deport you, they will tell you, say, pick what you know, say, at least they see one luggage for the children. You one luggage, your wife one luggage, all of them one luggage, you know, come on. But because say only the now come first sooner. Even as if I were you, the time when you take give the document, you forgot give the passport, you for 5 years go sit down, they wait for later, and lawyer go contact you, say, you not tell your lawyer before they tell you before you go give the letter. Because like say you tell your lawyer go sit there and say, no, give them more. We never there's no concrete answer yet. Because the lawyer go tell you, say, give them. Ask her now. Now one social small girl, now you're period so because they were carried away with material thing, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, they will not help. Remember the suffer one or two suffer take cross river enter abroad. You don't remember all those one. You don't say when person reach abroad, you be. You just say when we got say I feel say yes, it is time. I can do anything I want for this Dutchland. You see me now? That's cool. I see the. You see why I see they integrate. I see the good people. I see the good school. Yeah, at your age, you get why? I must they go so that anytime we be say people come mad, me as a black person, I go raise my hands. I go shut them down. Why? Because I get that power already. Now me go get that power by myself. They don't give me, now me acquire them. So this power I want to get them. They say, if you want to get this power, see how to acquire so power. Then I will begin to follow up. I tell them, I said, I office, now want me to work. I don't feel do look back and work again. I guess should have probably not many years ago they carry cattle. Boah, they do Oshobe. Hand on kaput. They do history. They see and they say, this one na call enter. I say not be cold. Na condemn. I'm not forget them. They do history. Do that. Say me not use this and work again. Except it's in our office work. I will sit down with the use barrel. You get why? I want to liberate myself. I want to make sure. Say, if I day office where my family people will come and black people will come, I will feel they advise them well. Say, go and do like this quick. Go and do like this so quick. And make me. I punish myself to get this degree that I am holding today. Do you know how to punish oneself? I don't care, say, even if I dey work now, say as I dey work, they pay me like 3,000 euro every month. But I throw away that 3,000 euro. They give me benefits money. As person where they work like pension. They will give me when the month end. They don't pay my house, they pay my house for said, you don't know 100 euro, you might not mind. I punish myself to get that degree. And as I get the degree, once I don't enter that office, they work, maybe I feel they receive 6,000 euro. It don't cover all the year. It don't cover all this year when I don't work, where they not pay me better money. Excuse me. It's an Entscheidung. It is your decision to make today. Make that decision today before it is too late. Oh, now we just sit down, they begin to judge. Can't you do residency? Can't you, our sister, auntie, I beg, go, shift. Your own, we know. They will know the talker. We know. People not come up for Netherlands without passports after many years. People know they come up for different countries after many years. When it not work for you, when it's not working, there's nothing you can do about it. And the romance, I pity you.
Yes, meaning 6 years long. What has Olivie been doing concerning his document? He don't have. His wife don't have.
Children don't have.
Children don't have. And now you want to come online and be playing pity party. All the Ivie you have been sowing, the money you have been making on the Ivie. You see the foolishness of Nigeria.
Now God will bless you. You'll be person like me. Now God will bless you. Now see on the way the romance the matter. So when I suffer the romance, why you born no anyway? It's what he wants you people to hear. What he wants you people to hear. No really no way. But the rich facts you will not get it. The real facts you can never get.
Me to say this, they think they are wise. Nigerians that are living in Germany that are undocumented, you see the foolishness of them. I will give you this point. How can you be an illegal person in a country where you don't even have documents, right? You will be making money online. Showing Ivie on.
Isn't that what I said? Are you forgetting it? Even when we immigrants come back to Germany, they tell us, say, oh, just you come. They tell us, say, we cannot do self-sendage. You are not allowed. Until you work for like 3, 4, 5 years. Steady. Then they will come that self-sendage carton for your back of your work, Albert Olobness. They'll come see paste and put. Say, yet. The daft, yet, now. It's me, now. The daft, yet. Self-sendage carton. Like that they will give you permission. Why are they attacking Precious Meg? She's saying the truth. Who is attacking her? Now the truth she did talk. I don't know whether she do video. When if I told her the suffer when Precious Meg suffer before, it is good that get take. But I don't say that we did the game. The risk when that get before she begin to be Mama Black and White. Don't notice that day job. Nobody will go attack Precious Meg when Precious Meg go talk behind because she don't pass through that hell. No, no, never pass through that hell. Now I not go fit tell you the truth. Now when they tell the people know the romance the story. The story long. Stop romancing it. Before she carried that label of Mama Black and White, you know where she passed through? If she go feel narrate the narrative, I take play. Now go not say yes. She needs to work to complete a paragraph. Apart from say she born for white person, she still needs to work to complete her own paragraph because she was not married. She still need to work. Leave that picking, go work to complete her own paragraph. If not, she need to born another picking again. John follow that. But when she say, and she wrote it her work, begin the work, that work with the count as her own documents. Now she take get her own document for that country, for Germany. But not be a topic we carry call. You know when the romance the story, man, no romance. I don't see. Why are you? La religion la go, religion no. Any boy you need donation now. Ego ni Juan Ivie, wono kaya lo ene.
When Germans, all the socials, they understand English, they follow everybody with fake accounts. There is no German workers that is not on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram.
Yeah.
But they are there with fake accounts, watching you, seeing everything you are doing. Isn't that stupidity? No, so the intellectual people, isn't that stupidity to people start with? You are an illegal in a country. You will be making money.
I they pay 45,000 and that brother call. Ariedo. It's maybe of Ugo Betty Yotovedo. La Yahu etin Ubeyoto. Ariedo wanu boy Olivie yo. You go no coco with ya small business. Hey Ray. So you learn the hard way. A government in Nigeria you go no ma. When they cannot back out to me. And we Ngoma tome. Ibe kanyo ha tone wa kan yoku se. You'll start to look into you just say people will do not for you forever. They will never. Because who are make it home just like Gwalihian wari bawe. Wenene. Kokenu yari webo. Kokenu webe ya wari Canada street. I'm advising you not like Europe. Because while Europe, egan no 10 years, you know, yena wa muwe port. Even port of entry. Ana wa muwe is 10 years. Except to know be a lezel la one when he gives Zerima. Even Yanirewa, even I be me Yanirewa come here and here with it. But anybody not take a risk, no how well. I guess it's for you. You know, guess it's for you. I don't know you, you don't know me. Because I don't send you message. Irigo Gioma. Ever me we up turn. Mama, I beg help me. I want cross. I say cross yourself for I don't send you message. I not cross anybody. Me not if cross myself. I'm away across someone. All this time you neglected everything I told you. Like social media. Who will call better? Who want? Why be with social media? Okay? Why want to go with showbiz? When I'm America, I got documents. Why be no capital, no get no bucket, no boloba. Or Maggie, when I went out, got a bucket at it, boloba, by Nayabala, me quick. Why my Deutschland, don't touch that down. Almighty Deutschland. I great sooner. The country will make me sabi. The country will make me what I be today. The country will make me feel build a whole big company. Now this country, I enter bank. I will say I need 1 million. They will say take. 1 million, get 1 million, be 1 million naira, 1 million euro. They will say take. If I see go there to take, he would wish they see write me letter from one bank, say me I can borrow money. I say, yeah. Good record. Matters a lot. Wa women away my hoy. E down la salekwa. E down no we say.
You are doing it on live video. You are not even doing it secretly.
Ona. Itam wa be matama.
Wow. And every month the government will be paying you.
I tell you I be not tell you.
Wow.
What?
But Nigerian people will think they are smart. You can never be smarter than Germans.
Awa.
You can never be smarter than German government. You will only complicate things for yourself. That is why today, many of them today, they are be applying for German documents. They are not getting it. Because they have already exposed themselves by themselves on social media, but they don't even know it. Because all the German government workers, they are everywhere.
I said yesterday when I did side bed 2 o'clock. I told you we are going to me anything bad. My beg I will call us and nigga call you platform me when no there. Ni bu wate wata mame ko ni wata we wa get donate ni ya okoni ya no wati wa get donate aba we ya we do gboko jumu wa ko atuari ila ma gio ya de wa ko na kan no bagare wa ko ni yare 1 million jo o je before kanari na riji the only advice wa yare nenia igo ya no koko ve Ivie no post in Nigeria sis wa wa ko so ko wa mo so donate ba wa magbeni wa ha me wo no wakat no bani radia statement of account we no ready why ni go no account wa get those yes for business in Nigeria no do my bowa no rent a flat no vivie you better school akono my be it must not be a school benedion at least go school. And why you rewe bona? Ivie mo ari why you no school. I have a German friend who took his 4 kids to Nigeria to school for good 3 years. They were able to live. Why you romance matana? Wa donate by homies. Wa donate me energy. What do you for?
Media with fake accounts. So we don't even know if they are there. They are monitoring you. They are seeing you. When you come to the office and be lying, they will be looking at you.
Anyanya.
Once you are done talking all your nonsense, they will follow you. They'll go and wait you on your page on internet. They are there watching you.
Life.
They are there watching you. Who told you Germans don't understand languages? Do you know how many different language translators that are working with the German government?
Yeah, man.
Any speaking language in this whole wide world, they are working with the German government. They translate everything. So what are you not saying? When people are encouraging them, go and concentrate more and get...
I greet you, President Speak well. Thank you for joining. Please share.
they will feel that you feel jealous. They will feel that you feel jealous. At the end of the day, when they deport them, you will hear them shouting like cricket. Hey, oh, Jama government are wicked, oh. Oh, Jama government, oh, Jama government are wicked, oh. Hey. Make una come help, oh. Who got one that bring, oh? Who got two that give me, oh?
John,
all the money Olivie has been making. Me, the way God creates me, I'm not moved by situation, emotional. No. You can't give me emotional pity party. It doesn't work with me.
It doesn't work.
That is my question. All this money Olivie has been making with that of Ivie. If those documents and the children document actually matters a lot to him, why didn't he use it and purchase it?
Okay.
Why?
I don't know. If you ask me, I don't know what I go ask. Leave me.
Is it the day they just deported him and his family back to Nigeria that it happens?
Oh.
No. Jama is a country. Like I said, I've been living in Germany from decades. I did not come from Italy or Spain or any country. I took my flight. I landed in this Germany. And this is the Germany I'm still living today. I can tell people what is going on here.
Oh, thank you, my lady.
Germany have been my first country. I've been in this country for decades.
The one user collect money at us.
And I'm still here.
They donate. Make anybody
Germans don't just bring into action. They will notify you. That is Germany for you.
Not be known and one cry for donation. Me will can't donate. When I can't donate. That's why I say you apple that day. When I can't donate, I say he has been making money on social media. Also, I've been making money everywhere. I say you go to Nigeria, go do marriage. Give another one, but you not tell now. I want to go donate. Make it take survive. Take give who. I bet me go service J 10 cents before it is too late. Everybody get you for body. They don't get serve one after the other.
They will give you notice ahead of time.
I said 6 years.
But because Nigeria people,
6 years ago, Nami and AB, I mean AB. 6 years ago, excuse me, Nami we can discuss. 6 years ago, not saying. The situation, even the way we saying with what they fight, and that one now felt discouraged and say no, this fight with this I will be say police go come, social go come, this one go come, you are in fire, just relocate back, or let's do it this way. Oh my, there is setting, but we are doing after we do bona local gualo in the orphanage in Ivie, new ones first grades. I have that they go and give to your children. I don't care. I can give anything to the children, not for you boots. In nuisance, nuisance, mais you put me la wife if you know what, I can easily give to the children because I am out as a mother. I can give. Mona bode, aga bode. Eriyo. Even recently, you know, Olivie, Mona rejected because no, this is not what I want from you. Go and see how you can be documented in this country. It was Calavante association with people that did not even wish him well. Abella, I'm a cut from Joanna to the Deutschland in making a day with it. I'm one of my way cuts. But you must be cautious of where you are. It's your priority. You can use your priority. The same thing you did in Bergamo 10 years, 11 years ago, or 12 years ago, or 15 years ago, that make you run exile and run to Germany. You come to Germany to liberate yourself. Start to constitute nuisance. Today you are not begging. Why will you beg? Why will people romance this issue for you? We are here going to romance anyway. When you are where when fail, woefully failed. When you shit the one on a failure, you will fail. Who fail? When you 10 million way. it will still go, it will still finish. But you can't keep begging. All because of side benefits. Social media money, it's in your pill by that door. Ivie, ma wele, na welatia. When I when do don't stroke already. Leave this country. Leave this country. And I preach every day. When Jama say leave, you leave. Don't waste your time. No. Leave. While you appeal back with the same negative still come, you leave. Don't waste your time. Go to the nearby country where you like a country like Italy. They don't care. You can be there. They are there.
Okay. The social money benefit, children benefit, they are greediness. Because Jamie pay more when it comes to social payments of children money, kindergarten. This is what gets into their head. This is exactly what happens to Olivie. Even when Jamas was giving Olivie negative, Olivie had 2 children before in Italy. He had 2 kids in Italy before. He did not give birth to all his children in Jamie. Okay, what stopped Olivie to go back to Italy?
Okay, ask me.
Are you people understanding my point?
I understand the word no more.
Ask you people, this should be the question. You people should be asking Olivie. Your 5 children was not giving birth in Deutschland. Okay, when Germans reject you and said, leave this country, why did you not go back to Italy? What stopped him? So this is the problem of Nigerians. Mispriority, misuse of power, misuse of opportunity. Because of children money, greediness. Nigerians are very greedy once it's come to this children money benefit in Deutschland.
Oh, yeah, greedy.
They are greedy. What makes Olivie not to relocate back to Italy where he had the 2 kids
ask
before?
Me if you ask me, I won't ask.
Many years he was showing Ivie, making that Ivie on internet. Was he not any money on it?
No.
Mispriority. God bless you, Mommy Jasper.
Okay.
Was Olivie not making money from it?
Okay.
Yes, of course. If actually the document of his and his wife and the children was that important to Olivie, why didn't he look for someone to even pay? People that actually mean well. Do you know that there are people that pay up to 20,000 euros just to get their German documents? Oh yes, and today they have it.
Yes, they pay.
Because they know that is their most priority. They need it. But in the case of Olivie, I don't feel any pity or sorry for him. Never. You can never manipulate him. You can never give me that emotional blackmail. I don't do pity party because you had all the opportunities
to get it. Even with me, I told him.
Yes, after says he was paying tax from it. Of course, that Ivie business Olivie was doing in Germany and doing it all night. Do you think that guy even registered that business as a Z-Syndic? According to the German law, any business you are doing that you are having income, no matter how little it is, you must declare it to the German government.
Chateau.
When you check the record and go deeper, you will find that that guy never even tell the German government that he's happy.
When it comes to self-syndic, I believe Olivie was not having the priority to have self-syndic. Yeah. He never get working permit to start with. How much more say one get self-syndic permit? Even him not get working permit. How much more say that self-syndic permit he won't get? We know what we they talk. On our way they feel pity, blackmail, emotional blackmail. We know the four-put. Because we know say get all the time. You know, neutralize and one begin donate. When I donate, I'm in hurry. No agua. Nay. When I say even when you get working permits, for your back of your working permits, they go write and put. Say you are not allowed. Like Olivie was doing, he can never be allowed to do self-syndic. It can never be allowed to do self-sendish. They're not going to allow them to do self-sendish. It's not possible. Because he never get working permits to start with. Not to talk about self-sendish. It's not allowed. Betty was doing it online and they were seeing it online. What's this?
Another income, apart from what the social benefits are given to them. Don't you know at every of your action you take, you will face the consequences?
The consequences are here.
There are consequences that will wait you. And for sure, it will come to you. So, you cannot just tell me that it was that day. Germans don't deport families without any notice. For those of you that don't even know what is happening in Germany, do you understand? I will be back again.
Now, here, everybody gets your version of this story. Just because people want to say pity, emotional blackmail, well, let's donate. Don't do it. Don't donate for anybody. Olivie has been in Deutschland for more than 10 years. And they don't give her this notice for more than 6 years. Little that I know. 6 years ago when we talk. When he told me the story behind him and his wife, I had a fight on daily basis. I had a police call. And I believe the wife was brainwashed. And that is why the wife told him, making any document anymore. Or my Eriyo. But by the time you talk with negative people, you always get negative results. And that's what happened to Olivie. So I'm going to leave you guys now. Later we'll talk about it because the video is too long. So I will come back and tell you people more about living in Deutschland. If you are still on the same path, stay away. Love you guys. See you then. Bye.